on, Winjas? This is your girl Maya, and if you've been following along with all the tutorials, you should be a freaking mobility gangsta and have crazy single leg strength as well as core strength. So I want to test you, and I want to know, can you do this movement challenge? And can I do it? Yes! Oh man, my quads just went like that. So check it out. This one here is going to involve so many different things, from ankle mobility, hip mobility, core strength, more hip mobility, and single leg strength. So let's break it down. Winjas, please make sure you subscribe, press that bell, and shout out to George. Okay guys, I will tag George in the description box. Check out his Instagram. He's always full of awesome movement challenges like this. So here we go. This is a step back lunge, and it's going to involve using your brain a bit here as well as strength, mobility. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a step back, drop it down, open it up. The foot that just stepped down now stands up in a pistol squat. Okay? And the goal is to make it as smooth as possible in your transition. So step back, open. The one that did the stepping now does the standing up. Oh! Oh! So you're gonna see that you could be weaker on one side. I really struggle with my right leg because my quads instantly seize up. So the reason why I love doing movement challenges like this is because I want to test myself and all the hard work that you put in with your mobility, with your strength. And then it comes to fruition when you do these challenges, and it's so fun and it's such a rewarding way. Or it's just a way to assess yourself as well. So here we go. Get your mind right. Make sure you warm up first, especially a little bit of the ankles and core activations. Give me a step back. Open. The leg that stepped back now stands up. Okay, now let's put it together as smoothly as we can. Yo, sweating up in here. Open. Woo. Open. Yes. Keep going. Yes. Big love to that floor. Sweep it and open it. Woo. Yes. So it's really tricky. It took me a few tries to figure it out, like which leg opens, which leg does the stepping up. Just remember, the leg that stepped back is the one that stands up. So, whew, take a break. Give it a try. Let me know how you do. Check out the description box for all the helpful tutorials to help you get there. I'm talking about the ankle, the hip, the core strength, all of that. Shout out to George. Shout out to Mike. Give him a thumbs up, guys. He makes these videos a lot more fun than I can alone. And I'll see you guys next time.